Hello, class. Time for another chapter or another unit in our listening and note-taking skills book. So get your book, go to page 102, and I will read the sentences as usual and fill in the blanks. Once this is complete and you have completed the recording, go to the quiz and pick the choices there for each of the sentences. Ready? Here we go. Number 1. Most colleges are accredited, which means schools meet certain standards set by outside evaluators. Number 2. Over 3/4 of all students, 76%, are enrolled in public colleges and universities. Number 3. The average cost in 2012 for tuition and room and board at a 4-year college for a student living on campus in a dormitory varies a lot. With such a wide variety of schools of different sizes, types, and location, probably won't surprise you to find out that admission requirements at these colleges and universities can vary too. Number 5. 4-year colleges and universities will all require an application and a high school transcript, which is a record of the applicant's grades and rank in their high school class. Very often, applicants for an undergraduate program must also include an essay and recommendations from high school teachers. Number 7. Some people say standardized exams don't fairly evaluate a student's readiness for college. Number 8. Even the most prestigious and the most highly competitive colleges and universities will consider other factors. Number 9. Admission standards at community colleges are usually more lenient than those at 4-year colleges and universities. Number 10. Many community college programs are vocational in nature. That is, they train students to become medical technicians, office assistants, cooks, airline mechanics, or other skilled workers needed by the community. Number 11. Students in the United States have many options in pursuing higher education. And that does it. Now go to the quiz located in the classroom, in the module, the one that is marked Chapter 11, page 102. Good luck. Have a great day.